unicorns.
What are those? What's in there? Should we open it up? Should we open
What do you think
it?
they are?
Yeah.
Keep looking.
Hold on, Nougat.
Dada's gonna help you.
What I just did.
Anthony, you gotta see what's in the box.
What's in here? Open it up. Whoa!
What are they? What kind of skates?
This hockey skates?
Are you gonna get to go skating with Dada?
Are you gonna play hockey?
Oh, be careful. Don't grab it on the end. Grab it up here.
Look at that.
Wow.
Now we can go skating with Dada.
Yeah. That's gonna help you play hockey.